Second part of this sequence. The belt always at the level of the hips. Step with one foot on the belt. Bring your hands where you feel the resistance that you can pull towards to you. My arms are ready to receive the weight and to hold me up, because at some point it's going to be only arms in the transition moment. My whole body is engaged, abs as well. And kick with the leg on the floor up. Keep traveling down and reach the floor. We find this variation of a warrior 3. To go back is a bit easier because we can feel the resistance on the back leg. So the back leg is going to kick back. So that's going to bring the one on the floor up. Round your spine as well and reach the floor. And from here, you can connect with the split. We go with the other leg. Stepping on the belt. Feel the resistance and then jump with this leg up. Keep going, going down, 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 and you will reach the floor. Be careful when you jump back, because at some point your legs become very heavy. So control from your arms. And we go into split.